Hi everyone, welcome to my channel The Coder's Journey. So for you guys, I'm gonna create a Flutter playlist from basic to advanced. So there its content. This will be like this. The first video will be we are gonna set up Flutter and create our first project. Okay. The second one will be the folder structure we get by default. Okay. We're gonna discuss every file and folder. And the third one will be how our code starts, and we're going to discuss the main function, the get material, scaffold, appbar. Don't worry if you don't get this right now. We're going to discuss it step by step. In the fourth one, we are going to discuss stateless and stateful widgets, which is very important. In the fifth video, we are going to discuss more about the widgets which makes our app, like container, card, text, center, buttons, icon, gesture detector. Okay, we are going to discuss all these widgets. And thus in the sixth video, we are going to discuss about the row and column widget, which is very important as well to style our app, basically to add widgets, more widgets in our app. And the seventh one, which is also very important, list view, listview.bulder, single child scroll view. Okay, don't worry, we are going to discuss step by step. In the eighth video, we are going to implement our knowledge of these previous videos, and we are going to create a simple to-do app which has the CRUD operations. Okay, in the ninth video, we are going to add a local database so that our data persists in our app. Okay, in the 10th video, we are going to dive into the state management, and we are going to use getx package for this, or you can say get package. We are gonna see how routing works, how it is obx in the get package. Don't worry, we will discuss it step by step. And we are gonna use this get knowledge in our to do app. Basically, we are gonna uh, change our entire logic, like business logic, and will use state management in the to do app. In the 13th one, we will sign our to do app. And why? Because signing is very important if you want to publish your app on a play store. Otherwise you cannot publish your app. Okay, in the 14th one, we are going to create another awesome project which will be music player app, and we are going to use get package for state management. In the 15th video, we are going to dive into more widgets like page view, tab bar, bottom bar, wrap widget. So these are your advanced widgets, and which will be important when you are gonna make a better project. In the 16th video, we are gonna implement ads, that is Google Ad Mob ads in the music player app. Okay, in the 17th video, it is a small project that we are gonna add the Google Maps, and we are gonna fetch our location, our current location, and show it on the Google Map. Okay, in the 18th one, we are gonna add firebase and gonna do basic operations like read and write operations, or maybe delete operation. Okay, what is basically, if you don't know what is firebase is nothing but a database. Okay, don't worry, we will see it. And also we are going to implement firebase push notifications. So what is push notification? You might have seen in your Android apps, like WhatsApp, you see a pop-up message, like, so we're going to implement this feature. Okay, don't worry. So in the first step, we are going to set up a Flutter project and create our first project. Okay, let's start it. So we are going to Chrome. Here you need to type Flutter archive and you will land on the page. Here, the Flutter archive. Okay, so since I am on Mac OS, I am gonna download for Mac. If you are Windows, you can download for Windows, and same for Linux. So let's download the latest one, that is 3.22.3. in my case it will be ARM 24, sorry, ARM 64. Okay, so I have already downloaded. You need to click here and you will able to download it. So I have already downloaded it, so I need to go to my download folder. So here's my download folder. Let's expand it here. So I need to unzip it. Okay, it is getting unzipped. Let's wait a little bit. so it is unzipped, and you will see here on the downloads. So I'm gonna copy it, the Flutter folder. I'm gonna copy it, and you can see here I have a developer folder on my favorite. In case you do not find this developer folder, okay, what you need to do, you need to go to this finder, go to folders there, you need to go your user, then your name must be there, like I am here for user Ganesh, then I'm gonna click here, I am here. So as you can see here, you will be able to find all the folders will be here, okay. So I have this developer folder here, so I'm gonna paste the Flutter folder here, okay. So it's pasted. So in the next step I need to know its path, like where I have put this Flutter folder. So you need to find this path. You can find it in an easy way, like you need to go like this, open it in terminal, like new terminal folder. It will open it for you, okay. So as you can see, it has opened it for me. This is the path I have. Basically just copy it, okay, just copy this path. Let's open another terminal, okay, new window. Let's expand it again. So here you are on the root folder, that is user and slash, that must be your name, okay. When you do you know where you need to paste this folder, okay. So we are going to do ls dash a. You will see all your folders here. As you can see, we have in the Mac OS .zshrc folder. We need to put our path inside this. So basically it's not a folder, it's a file. So we are gonna write vim dot zshrc. So here it is opened, and you can see I have pasted this path already inside here, this one. You need to exactly paste this here like this, export path equal to dollar path colon, then your path that I have told you, and make sure you add this bin slash bin, otherwise it will not work. So if you want to add something in this file, so you need to first click on I. So after that you can uh, edit your this file .shrc file, okay. After you put this file, you need to press on escape, okay. Then you need to put on colon w w q and exclamatory, okay, colon w q exclamatory, which will save your .shrc file. So okay, now I have saved it. Now I want to verify if I have correctly enter my put my path there, okay. So you need to type flutter minus version, okay. So if you have done all the steps correctly, you will be able to see this Flutter 3.22.3, and I'm assuming you have already downloaded the Android Studio and VS Code, okay. So in the next step we are gonna create our first project. Let's open our VS Code. So let's open our VS Code, okay. It's open. Cool. Now you need to go to this view in its top tab bar. You need to go to this view, and here you can see command palette. Let Flutter new project application. So okay, by default this document is open. It's all right. Now we are gonna create select a folder. Click on this select a folder to create the project. So by default it's named my application this, okay. It's all right. enter. So it take a little bit time to create its folder. Wait a little bit. So now it has created successfully, and as you can see, these are the default folders we get. So we are gonna discuss these folders. Okay, the important folders we require to start our app and run our Flutter app. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video. Okay guys, yeah, cool.